Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Mercury app from both Android and iOS, as I'll be demonstrating this on iPhone, but the steps are almost the same on Android. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Within it, look for the Mercury app icon on your device. Now on iPhone, press and hold the Mercury app icon until a menu appears. Then tap remove app and choose delete app. Now it will show a confirmation message regarding the deletion. You can just tap delete to confirm the deletion. On Android, steps are very similar. Just press and hold the Mercury app icon, then tap install. After that, a confirmation message will appear. Then confirm the action by tapping on done. Keep in mind that installing the Mercury app only removes it from your phone, so your Mercury account and the data are not deleted. You can reinstall the app anytime you want and then log in back, and that's how you can successfully uninstall the Mercury app from your device. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more simple app tutorials.